hope you all had fun doing the thermometer experiment. Did you all see the temperatures, the different temperatures on it? If you all have not, do try it, okay? And we are going to do something new right now. We are going to learn how to read a thermometer, okay? So we are going to learn how to read a temperature on the thermometer. So let's get started. To start with, a thermometer is an instrument that is used to measure temperature. Okay, so far we've learned how to measure weight of an object, right? We've seen that a measuring scale is used to measure the weight of an object. In a thermometer, it is used to check, it is used to measure the temperature of an object. Yeah, so let's learn to read the temperature of a thermometer. Can you see this image next to this? Okay, so this image over here is the thermometer image. And if you look carefully, there are some numbers on it. There's some different circle next to a small circle next to the number. Yeah, so we are going to know what all this is. Yeah, so let's get going. So to start with, what is a temperature? What do you think a temperature is? You must have sometimes, you feel your body is too hot, or you feel that your body is too cold, or maybe the room is too cold. So when you say that it's too hot, or either it's too cold, then that is known as a temperature. Yeah. So the temperature of something tells us how something which is really very hot or is something which is really very cold. So that is the temperature of an object. So in winters we feel really cold, but in summers we feel so hot that we keep sweating. So that is known as that, yeah, I'm feeling hot, I'm feeling cold. So that is temperature. And a thermometer is an instrument which tells us how much the temperature is. Okay. So temperature is measured in degrees. Okay, it is measured in degrees. The weighing that my weight is 49 kgs. So that is a unit used to measure the weight. But in a temperature, the unit used to measure is degrees. Okay. And can you see the small circle over there on the top? That is the symbol for degrees. So if it is 100 degrees, I'm going to write the number 100 and I'm going to draw a small circle above it which says degrees. Okay, it has a meaning. So it is 100 degrees. And this, so when I write that sign which is known as degrees, and if I write a C, it means it is degree Celsius. So the C stands for Celsius. Okay. Now, what are we going to do is we are going to learn how to read the thermometer. Okay, how to read the temperature. So I want you all to look carefully at this image. The image is showing us various numbers, right? And there is this red line which has stopped. There is this red coloring, okay, and it is stopped somewhere. It is stopped at the number 10. And if you look carefully, after the number 10, there's a small circle which says degrees, right? So it is 10 degrees. So this is how it is. When I'm going to write this, I'm going to write it as 10 degree and then a C which says 10 degree Celsius. So we are going to learn temperature in Celsius. Okay. So if you see a C, that means it is Celsius. Let's go on to the next question. Now, look at this thermometer carefully. It is showing you up to where it is stopping. It is stopping at 60. So how am I going to write this? I'm going to write this as 60 degree Celsius. Okay. So I'm just not going to write the number 60 because that does not make sense. Then it could be 60 horses, it could be 60 candies, it could be 60 kg. But no, I'm talking about temperature. Hence, it is read as 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. I want you to do the next one. Okay. And when I do that, I'm going to give you a 5 seconds timer. So every time I'm going to put up 5 fingers and that's when you stop. Okay. So you need to answer me before that. Okay. Okay. So I want you to look at this thermometer carefully. Look at it where it is stopping. Okay. And tell me the answer. And your time starts now. Time's up. Yes. If you said that it is 80, Is it correct? It is 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if you said that, that's amazing. So it's 80 degrees Celsius. Let's see the next one. And your time starts now. How much is it? Did you say 30? Yes. 30 what? Yeah, correct. It is 30 degrees Celsius and it can be written as this. Okay. So what I want you to do next is I've given you a worksheet, solve that, see how you can do it. Okay. And then send it back to your math teacher. You can send it to me also. That's fine. Yeah. So bye.